Good morning, I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to take about on the DT based video lecture on determination of titration of mixture of acid by using HCl and acetic acid. So here I am going to conclude with this the types of mixture of acids. Here we are going to take the two types of mixture of acids, whether it is an HCl or acetic acid. In this we are combined with this two form of structures and it brings the HCl and NaOH to form the HCl and removes the NaOH solution. So now I am describes what are the aim to come with this experiments. So tell me what is the aim of this experiments?
To determine the amount of a strong acid and a weak acid present in the whole of the given solution. A standard solution of 0.1 NaOH is provided.
So here the aim of this experiments is to determine the weak acid or weak base with the solution of HCl and the acetic acid. So with this aim we have to check whether the burette solution and the pipette solution has a variant acid, that is weak acid and the weak base with this normality and the volume of the HCl. So now we have started with this experiment of the short procedure. So what is the short procedure in this experiment?
We get burette solution as a sodium hydroxide and pipette solution as mixture of acids.
So burette solution as sodium hydroxide and the pipette solution as mixture of acids. So what are the mixture of acid? HCl and acetic acid. So both these acid we are combined with weak acid and the weak base. So this is called as mixture of acids. Okay. And next, what is the potential? What is the conductivity cell we are using here? Electrodes. We are using the conductivity electrode cell. And what is the measurements we are taking in conductance? Conductance, from the value of conductance we are taking the conducting value. And what is the temperature we are measuring with the room temperature? Okay. So with this we are going to check whether the burette solution with the sodium hydroxide. So now I am adding the burette with sodium hydroxide and we get the lower meniscus of burette solution. So while we have to check whether the burette is in the off value. Okay. So now I am adding the burette solution of sodium hydroxide with this 0 ml to 50 ml. And the pipette solution of mixture of acid, that is HCl and acetic acid. To diluting these solutions I am adding this 20 ml of the distilled water. So with this I am starting with this burette solution of NaOH and the 20 ml of the mixture of acids with diluting the solution of 20 ml of the distilled water. So this is the solution setup through this reaction. Now I am adding the conductivity cell to know the conductance for the solutions. So with this 0 ml of the burette solution with sodium hydroxide and the 20 ml of mixture of acid with this solution, we are taking the conductance value for the 0 ml is 12.65 values. Okay, so with this reading I am adding again the 1 ml of the burette solution into this beaker and titrating the solution with the values. So now I am going to add 1 ml of the solution into this beaker and with this little shaking. So what is the value? the 12.03. So likewise we are adding the with 1 ml solution into the speaker, and we are taking the solution as a increasing value with this, and slowly it downs to decreases value, and again the value increases, and after again decreases. So this is from the midpoint we have the intersection for the A and B value to conduct the conductivity cell, whether the weak acid and the weak base has conductivity cell during this experiments. Thank you.